Imagine building a 1,500 square foot custom home for under $90,000. Not a tiny house, not a shed conversion. A real, durable home that will outlast most traditional houses while costing less than half the price. Sound impossible? Stick with me until the end, because I'm about to show you exactly how DIY builders are crushing the housing market with Quonset barndominiums, saving 40 to 60% compared to traditional construction. And I'll reveal the 3 critical mistakes that separate success stories from expensive disasters. Why Quonset barndominiums are dominating the DIY space. Let's get straight to why Quonset barndominiums have become the secret weapon for budget-conscious builders. While everyone else is drowning in $300,000 to $500,000 traditional home costs, smart DIY builders are creating stunning homes for a fraction of that price. Here's the reality. Over 75% of Quonset building buyers under 3,000 square feet choose to DIY their construction. That's not a coincidence. These structures were literally designed during World War II to be assembled by troops with minimal construction experience. If soldiers could build them in combat zones, you can build one on your property. The numbers are striking. A typical 30 by 50 Quonset kit costs $14 to $20 per square foot for just the shell package. Compare that to traditional construction materials alone running $95 to $125 per square foot, and you start to see the massive advantage. But here's where it gets really interesting. By doing the work yourself, you can save an additional 30 to 60% on labor costs. Let me break down a real $90,000 build so you can see exactly where this works. The 90K build breakdown. We're talking about a 30 by 50 building, which gives you 1,500 square feet of living space. This is perfect for a couple, small family, or anyone who wants affordable home ownership without sacrificing quality. Shell package costs approximately $21,000 to $30,000. This includes all the corrugated steel panels, frame components, hardware, and assembly instructions. Everything is pre-drilled and pre-cut. You're basically putting together a giant erector set with identical bolts throughout. Foundation work runs $9,000 to $11,000. For a Quonset, you need a solid 4-inch concrete slab. If you hire contractors for concrete work, this is money well spent because foundation mistakes are expensive to fix later. Some DIY builders with concrete experience handle this themselves and save another $3,000 to $4,000. End walls with doors and windows cost $6,000 to $9,000. This is where you customize your home. You need entry doors, windows for natural light, and maybe a garage door if you want drive-through access. Many builders use local contractors for custom end walls while handling the arch assembly themselves. Insulation is critical and runs $4,500 to $7,500 for spray foam. Don't skip this. Proper spray foam insulation prevents condensation, provides excellent energy efficiency, and dramatically improves comfort. This is where you invest for long-term savings on heating and cooling. Interior finishing is where DIY skills really pay off. For budget builds, expect $25,000 to $35,000 for electrical, plumbing, drywall, flooring, kitchen, and bathroom. If you're handy, you can do much of this yourself. Hire licensed electricians and plumbers for code work, but tackle drywall, painting, flooring, and trim yourself. Permits, septic, and well costs vary wildly by location, but budget $8,000 to $12,000. Rural properties often require wells at $5,000 to $15,000 and septic systems at $10,000 to $20,000. City connections are usually cheaper. Total cost lands between $83,500 to $104,000, with most DIY builders hitting around $90,000 to $95,000. That's $56 to $63 per square foot turnkey. Compare this to the national average of $230,000 for traditionally built barndominiums, or $400,000 plus for conventional homes, and you're looking at savings of $100,000 to $300,000. How DIY builders are crushing it. Let me share real success stories from actual builders because this isn't theory. Dennis and Linda in Bandera, Texas built their lakeside Quonset barndominium mostly by themselves. Dennis created his own tools and developed a unique system to raise the arches. It took him 30 days to get the arches up and 4 years to slowly customize every detail. They had no solid plan going in and designed it as they went, taking advantage of the blank canvas a Quonset provides. Their result? A stunning custom home for far less than traditional construction. Another couple, Eric and Carolyn in Round Top, Texas, took a hybrid approach. They purchased 40 acres of raw land and hired a contractor for 10 days to erect the arches on their 30 by 50 home. Local crews completed the end walls. 9 months later, their home was complete, and friends said it looked magazine-worthy with its open floor plan and rustic decor. They saved tens of thousands by doing finish work themselves. A 60-year-old builder in Hendry County, Florida, tackled a 30 by 46 Quonset completely solo, with only 2 exceptions where he needed help. He's 70% complete and doing everything himself. Proving age is just a number when you have determination. The common thread? These builders save 40 to 60% by managing their own projects and doing substantial work themselves. The 3 ways DIY saves you massive money. First, eliminating general contractor fees saves 10 to 20% immediately. Most general contractors charge 10 to 20% of your total project cost. On a $200,000 project, that's $20,000 to $40,000 just for project management. When you act as your own general contractor, coordinating subcontractors and managing timelines, that money stays in your pocket. Second, doing finish work yourself cuts costs dramatically. Labor typically represents 30 to 50% of construction expenses. Interior finishing like drywall installation, painting, flooring, trim work, and cabinetry installation are all learnable skills. With YouTube tutorials and patience, DIY builders consistently save $30,000 to $60,000 on a typical project. Third, the Quonset design itself requires 40 to 50% less labor than traditional construction. There are no complicated trusses, no load-bearing walls to engineer, and no complex framing. The curved steel panels bolt together with identical hardware. A small crew, or even family and friends, can erect the shell in days. Professional crews typically complete a 30 by 40 building in 2 to 4 days. DIY builders with no experience usually take about twice as long, which is still incredibly fast. The honest challenges you need to know. I'm gonna be completely straight with you, because going into DIY without understanding the challenges is how people fail. First, time commitment is real. Most DIY Quonset builds take 9 to 18 months from start to finish if you're working weekends and evenings. Full-time DIY builders can finish in 4 to 8 months. You need realistic expectations about your available time. Second, skill requirements matter. While erecting the steel shell is straightforward, electrical and plumbing require licensed professionals in most jurisdictions. You can't skip code compliance. Budget for professionals on technical systems. Expect to spend $8,000 to $15,000 on electrical and plumbing even when doing everything else yourself. Third, the learning curve is steep. Your first attempt at drywall won't be perfect. Your first plumbing connection might leak. You will make mistakes and waste materials. Budget an extra 15 to 20% for material waste and learning. This is still far cheaper than paying full labor costs. Fourth, financing can be difficult. Traditional lenders are often hesitant about owner-builder projects in non-traditional structures. You may need construction loans with higher down payments, typically 20 to 25%. Some builders pay cash and build in phases as they save money, which actually works well for DIY projects. Fifth, curved walls present unique challenges. Furniture doesn't sit flush against curved walls. Installing cabinets requires creative solutions. Window and door openings need custom framing. These aren't deal breakers, but they require extra planning compared to traditional rectangular rooms. The massive advantages that make it worth it. Despite challenges, the advantages are compelling. Durability is exceptional. Galvanized steel construction means these buildings resist fire, termites, rot, mold, and extreme weather. Wind just rolls right over the curved design. These structures regularly withstand hurricanes, tornadoes, and heavy snow loads that would destroy traditional homes. Your $90,000 Quonset might outlast a $400,000 conventional house. Maintenance costs are minimal. You'll never paint exterior siding. You'll never replace the roof. You'll never treat for termites. The steel exterior is virtually maintenance-free for 50 to 100 plus years. Those savings compound dramatically over decades. Energy efficiency is outstanding with proper insulation. The seamless steel design minimizes air infiltration. Spray foam insulation creates an incredibly tight thermal envelope. Owners report heating and cooling costs 30 to 40% lower than comparable traditional homes. Customization freedom is total. The completely open interior with no load-bearing walls means you design your space exactly how you want it. Want a massive open living area? Done. Need to reconfigure rooms later? Just move some non-structural walls. This flexibility is unmatched. Speed of construction means you're living in your home within months, not years. Every month of construction is a month you're paying rent or a mortgage elsewhere. Faster building directly equals money saved. Critical mistakes that kill DIY builds. Let me save you from the 3 biggest mistakes that separate successful DIY builds from disasters. Mistake number 1 is skipping on insulation. Some builders try to save $5,000 by using cheap add insulation or minimal spray foam. This is catastrophic. Without proper insulation, condensation will form on the interior steel surface, creating moisture problems, rust issues, and mold. Invest in quality spray foam insulation. It pays for itself in energy savings within 5 to 7 years. Mistake number 2 is ignoring code requirements and permits. Some DIY builders think they can skip permits to save money. This backfires spectacularly. When you eventually sell, buyers can't get financing for unpermitted structures. You'll spend far more retroactively permitting everything than if you'd done it right initially. Plus, insurance companies may refuse coverage on unpermitted buildings. Always pull permits and get inspections. Mistake number 3 is underestimating interior finish costs. Most DIY builders accurately budget for the shell, but blow their budget on interior finishing. Kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, and fixtures add up shockingly fast. Budget $30 to $50 per square foot minimum for basic interior finishes, and more like $60 to $80 per square foot for mid-range finishes. Build in a 20% contingency for overruns. Who should build a DIY Quonset Barndominium? This approach is perfect if you're handy with basic tools and willing to learn new skills. You don't need professional contractor experience, but you should be comfortable using drills, saws, and levels. You need realistic time availability of 10 to 20 hours per week minimum for 6 to 18 months. You need patience for a learning process and problem-solving mindset when issues arise. This works best if you have flexible housing currently. Living on-site in an RV during construction saves money. If you're paying rent anyway, building yourself makes tremendous financial sense. You need access to capital, whether cash savings, construction loans, or phased building as you save. This is ideal if you're building in rural areas with reasonable building codes. Strict urban or HOA regulations often prohibit metal structures or owner-builder projects. Check zoning before purchasing property. You should have a genuine desire to save $100,000 to $200,000 and create equity through sweat instead of writing checks. The bottom line, a $90,000 DIY Quonset Barndominium isn't just possible, it's happening all across the country. Smart builders are creating durable, beautiful homes for half to one-third the cost of traditional construction. The combination of simple bolt-together design, minimal labor requirements, DIY-friendly construction, and exceptional durability creates an unbeatable value proposition. Yes, it requires time, effort, and learning. Yes, you'll make mistakes along the way. But when you're living mortgage-free in a custom home that costs $90,000 instead of making $2,500 monthly payments on a $400,000 mortgage for 30 years, those challenges seem pretty manageable. The real question isn't whether you can build a Quonset Barndominium for $90,000. The question is whether you're willing to invest the time and effort to save $100,000 to $300,000. For thousands of DIY builders, the answer is absolutely yes. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content about affordable housing solutions. Drop a comment below if you're considering a DIY build or if you've already completed one. I read every comment and love hearing your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down the tools and skills you actually need to build your own Quonset Barndominium. See you there.